Hello, Gaudi class. For the next 2 days, we would like you to do a maths project. So I'm going to explain to you what you need to do. Now, it's going to take more than one lesson for you to do this, which is why there's not going to be a maths lesson tomorrow, or there's not going to be a maths video, and I'd like you to carry on with this. What I'd like you to do is I'd like you to find a collection of objects. This could be toys in your room or clothes in your wardrobe, Smarties in a jar, colour Lego bricks, anything you like. And make a tally chart of what you've got. So I was thinking about coloured Smarties in a jar, having a jar of Smarties and emptying them out and going, I've got one red one and one green one blue one. So looking at all the different colours, making my tally chart and then filling in the tallies and the totals. When you've done that and you've made your tally chart, what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to draw a pictogram to show that information. Now, what you could do is you could make sure you put the key in, but you could choose whether your key was just going to be 1 object, 2 objects, 5 objects, 10 objects. It depends what you've counted. But you choose the key and you draw the pictogram. And again, your pictogram can go across or it can go up. That is totally up to you. And the last thing that I'd like you to do, so you've done your tally, you found your collection of objects, you've done your tally, you've made your pictogram, is I'd then like you to do a bar chart to show that information, like we learned in yesterday's lesson. So again, you can make your bar chart go up and different colours if you want to. They don't all have to be the same. And just let me know how many of each there was. And remember that when you're doing a bar chart, you count in ones. So that is your work for the next 2 days. So this is your choice of what you're counting. It could be toys, it could be socks, like we had on one of the questions, stripy, patterned, plain. You can just empty out your sock drawer. Please, whatever you take out, please make sure you put away again. It could be letters on a page in a book, although that's quite a long one because there are 26 letters in the alphabet. You could take a page from your reading book and look at how many times you have the letter A, the letter B, the letter C. There's lots and lots of things. You could look at cars going past your window and the colour of cars. The choice is totally up to you. So you need to choose your collection of objects. And if you are taking something out, please make sure you put them away again when you finish with them. You're going to make a tally chart to show how many of each object you've got. You're going to make a pictogram to show your totals, and you can change which direction your pictogram goes in, and you get to choose your key. Make sure you include your key. And finally, you're going to draw a bar chart. And now you've got 2 choices. You can either put that work onto tapestry, or you can keep that work and bring it in with you to school when we come back next week. So I hope you enjoy this. And like I said, there's no lesson tomorrow because this is going to take you more than one lesson if you do it properly. So I don't want you to spend lots and lots of time on this today. Spend your maths time on it today and your maths time on it tomorrow. So you do it beautifully and carefully, neatly. And I look forward to seeing your work either on tapestry or, fingers crossed, in person.